Pack your bags and clear your mind. Leave the ordinary life behind. Through the lens, the world is bright. From Europe's streets to the neon light. Olivier Rodriguez Wanderlust leading the way. The adventure is today. The adventure is today.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme. Can't get enough, please let me be. But I love what you do to me. From me, and then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me.
Europa y más allá, un nuevo amanecer. Mi cámara captura cada instante, un recuerdo vivo, un sueño vibrante. La aventura es hoy.